Pingi
and Kroki.
Lessons and Karaoke. I'm cooking cookies, I'm cookies cooking. Yes, I am the cookies cook. How I cook, let's have a look.
I really like to eat the cookies, but I don't like to cook the cookies.
Kroki, please don't sound so grumpy. Roll the dough so it's not lumpy. Now we're cutting shapes out of dough. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval,
Star, cloud, leaf, moon, star.
Kroki, you have two similar shapes, two stars.
No, Pingi, it's two different types of stars. You'll see later.
Now we're coloring our cookies with icing. Blue circle, black square, orange triangle, purple rectangle, pink oval.
Yellow star, white cloud, silver moon, green leaf, and this star is red with black polka dots, just like your bow, Pingi.
Kroki, there are no stars like that in the sky.
Yes, you're right, Pingi. It's a starfish. Pingi, we cooked so many cookies, we'll eat them for ages.
Cookies that are red hue, cookies that are bright blue, cookies yellow, cookies green, many shapes as you have seen.
Joy, excitement, now I feel.
Dear guests, enjoy your meal.
More. You ate everything. I don't want to cook more cookies.
Kroki, please don't sound so grumpy. Roll the dough so it's not lumpy.
I'll have fun and not be grumpy. We will cook and make more